Hello and welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since we put out a cooking video, but we are back.
We're back.
And today is the 4th of July. We are making something absolutely amazing. So the backstory, babe.
Go ahead.
We went to a local farmer's market here in Northern California. This farm grows their own grass, grows their own cows, raises their own cows. The cows eat their grass and then they're processed. So this is a Brisket Point certified organic, grass-fed, super high quality, small farm, Northern California beef. Are you pumped?
Yes, I'm super excited. I've been up to these farms before.
Yeah, really cool.
They come from Fort Jones.
All right, so the plan today is to use the Pit Boss pellet grill. We're gonna be using Jealous Devil pellets. We're going to run it at 250 degrees. We'll get it seasoned up. We'll show you that. Look at this, it's an absolutely beautiful cut of brisket. So we are really excited. Happy 4th of July, everybody, even though this video is coming out after 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Hope you had a great 4th of July.
Hope you had a great 4th of July, and let's just dive into the cook. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
All right, and here we go.
Oh yeah, I love it when you use lipstick on.
No, not again. So this is what it looks like right out of the package. It's about 4 or 5 pounds. This hard fat and stuff, we are gonna doing some trimming, but pretty nice cut of brisket here. Brisket Point trimming complete. Look down here, babe. So this is what it looks like all trimmed up. Obviously, I'm not no expert at trimming briskets, but this is what we got. I still say it's a good 4 or 5 pounds of the point. Really nice, really high quality. And then if you look right here, our binder is gonna be the Worcestershire sauce and Rudy's rub. And what's interesting about the Rudy's rub is it's from Texas. It's a little gas station barbecue place. I love it. Okay, we got the brisket trimmings. We got her all seasoned up with the Rudy's rub. Now we're gonna let it sweat in and go out and light our pellet grill. Today we're gonna be using the Pit Boss Austin XL 1000 pellet grill. We're gonna be using the best Jealous Devil pellets. And we're gonna be running this thing at 250 degrees, maybe even 225. We're going like ultra low and slow today. I really want this brisket to be really nice when it's all said and done. All right, 10:30 in the morning, just got her on. Wish the color was a little bit better on this camera so you guys could see. I think this bark is really gonna develop, and we're gonna run these Jealous Devil pellets at 250 the whole cook. For a little 4th of July snack, we also picked these up at the farmer's market. These are some fresh made sausages, all local, good stuff. Really nice, smells really good, but we got a long way to go. So no more looking or you're not cooking.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
It's been just over three and a half hours.
Yeah.
It's at 165 internal. We put a little bit of stock and a couple knobs of butter, and then babe's gonna wrap it tight. And then we're gonna bring it to at least probe tender, but it's probably gonna be around 205, I would assume.
Okay.
But yeah.
I'm very excited for this.
It shrunk up a lot, actually.
Yeah, it did.
I feel like now is a good time in the video to say that we have a second YouTube channel called Josh and Babe Vlogs. And if you like RV, camping, outdoor cooking, RV life, maybe you want to check out our second channel. So we'll continue on with the cook right now. And at this moment, I have to thank our top tier channel members. Thank you all of our channel members, everybody that's hit that little join button next to the subscribe button. Thank you. You guys have supported us throughout the years on YouTube. We really awesomely appreciate you. So thank you very much. Oh yeah, babe, it's just a little midday snack. Super good.
We just eat a sausage for snacks over here.
5.5 hours of cook time, 1 hour of rest. Unwrapped it from the foil. Let's slice it up. You don't even need to slice, you just push through it and it just, I mean, babe, look at this. It's just, holy moly. Like, look at these slices. It's crazy. Like, even in the thickest part, you just push through and it's just coming out like, wow. It's crazy. Look at how big that bite is. We'll do a double bite. Look at that face. Okay, babe.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I would say it's one of the better briskets you've ever cooked.
That's actually very good.
Actually, you actually did a good job. You actually.
I don't think it was me. I think it was that it was a very high quality cut of meat, grass-fed, organic, free range,
Yeah.
like, you know. Oh, you're having a little more? That Rudy's barbecue rub is actually very good.
Very good.
Actually.
It's actually very good.
If you guys have the opportunity to get yourself like this, you know, small farm type meat,
It's a big
I do think it's a big deal. I do think that it actually is worth it.
It's actually
Like,
good.
if you go to like the normal store and buy Choice or Select or whatever, you don't know where the meat is coming
Even
from.
prime.
Well,
This was better than prime.
oh, very good. For all the folks that love the smoke ring, this is how it turned out with the smoke ring. I mean, it's very, very good. Very, very nice. Very, very good. Great flavor. Great tenderness. Yes. Happy 4th of July, babe.
Happy 4th of July.
Even though I want to murk you.
That's not nice.
You want to murk me.
Now if I show up dead, everyone's gonna know. You just outed yourself.
All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.